Ladies and gentlemen, after Manny Pacquiao's big fight against Mario Barrios, everyone's talking about his earnings. 970 million to 1.1 billion in peso. But here's the million peso question. How much does he need to pay the BIR? Let's break it down. Si Pacquiao kumita ng halos 1 bilyong piso sa laban niya na iyon. At bilang resident citizen ng Pilipinas, required siyang magbayad ng tax sa lahat ng kita niya worldwide. Kahit sa US naganap ang laban, hindi siya exempted sa BIR. Ayon sa batas, Section 23 ng NIRC, resident citizen pay tax on worldwide income. Section 24, kung higit 8 million ang kita, 35% ang tax rate. Section 34, paragraph C, pwede kang mag-claim ng foreign tax credit para iwas double taxation. Pero may limit yan. Quick math tayo. Kung 970 ang kita, 35% of that is 339.5 million. Kung 1.1 billion, 35% of that is 385 million. Kaya si Manny baka magbayad ng 339 million hanggang 385 million sa BIR. Grabe no, para kang nanalo sa laban pero talo ka naman sa tax. Pero teka, di ba nagbayad na siya ng US taxes? Oo, pero under the Philippine law, kailangan pa rin i-declare dito. Pwede niyang gamitin ang foreign tax credit pero hanggang sa amount lang ng Philippine tax due. Lesson dito, kung resident citizen ka, taxable ang lahat ng income mo worldwide, unlike OFWs na exempted. Kaya si Manny at kahit influencers or athletes, kailangan pa rin magbayad ng Philippine tax kahit abroad sila kumita. Here's my question for you. Do you think it's fair for Filipino athletes like Manny to pay millions more after paying US taxes? Or should the government give exemptions for international sports earnings? Manny fought hard in the ring, but his biggest opponent might just be the tax code. Again, this is JM, and remember, I will always be your law companion.